Nia's Day, Nia's Day. Exploring professions along the way, Nia's Day, Nia's Day. So many jobs to see today. Nia's Day, Nia's Day. Exploring professions along the way, Nia's Day, Nia's Day. So many jobs to see today.
First, she met a firefighter, brave and strong, putting out fires all day long.
Sliding down the pole, rushing to the scene in a big red truck, so shiny and clean.
Nia's Day, Nia's Day. Exploring professions along the way. Nia's Day, Nia's Day. So many jobs to see today. Nia's Day, Nia's Day. Exploring professions along the way. Nia's Day, Nia's Day. So many jobs to see today.
Next, she saw the teacher, kind and wise, helping kids learn. You can see it in their eyes. Reading and writing, so much to do. Every single day, there's something new. Nia's Day, Nia's Day. Exploring professions along the way. Nia's Day, Nia's Day. So many jobs to see today. Nia's Day, Nia's Day. Exploring professions along the way. Nia's Day, Nia's Day. So many jobs to see today. Then she met a doctor in a coat so white, helping sick people get better day and night. With a stethoscope, checking heartbeats too, taking care of me, taking care of you. Nia's Day, Nia's Day. Exploring professions along the way. Nia's Day, Nia's Day. So many jobs to see today. Nia's Day, Nia's Day. Exploring professions along the way. Nia's Day, Nia's Day. So many jobs to see today. Next, a construction worker with a yellow hat, building tall buildings. Imagine that. With a hammer and nails and a big machine, making the world safer and clean. Nia's Day, Nia's Day. Exploring profession along the way. Nia's Day, Nia's Day. So many jobs to see today.
Nia's Day, Nia's Day. Exploring professions along the way. Nia's Day, Nia's Day. So many jobs to see today.
Finally, an artist with a palette and a brush, painting bright colors. Oh, what a rush. Creating beauty for all to see. Art is everywhere, as fun as can be. Nia's Day, Nia's Day. Exploring profession along the way. Nia's Day, Nia's Day. So many jobs to see today.
Nia's Day, Nia's Day. Exploring professions along the way. Nia's Day, Nia's Day. So many jobs to see today.